Welcome to the integration tutorial of GeeTest Adaptive CAPTCHA. In this video, you are going to learn how to integrate GeeTest Adaptive CAPTCHA step by step. If you are a first-time user, you will need to sign up a GeeTest account and request a set of ID and key. Head over to GeeTest's official website, www.geetest.com. Here you are going to register an account. Enter your email and other information accordingly. Verify and click on Start Free Trial. Head over to your mailbox to verify and activate your GeeTest account. In case you are unable to find the verified email, click the Resend Email button. Once you click on Verify Your GeeTest Account button, you will be taken back to the GeeTest website where you will proceed to set up your email and password. This concludes the sign-up process, and GeeTest account is ready just for you. Next, you are going to create an ID and key in GeeTest dashboard. After logging into your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Click on Behavior Verification. On the next screen, click Create Application and enter the required entries in the dialog box fields, then click Confirm. You have successfully created the application. Next, you can add an event to your application. Click on Add Events. Enter the required values into the appropriate fields in the dialog box. Scrolling down and click on Add right here. You will get an ID and key, which will be used later. After getting ID and key, let's access the developer guide. You find it directly from the help box in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Or you can go back to GeeTest homepage and click on Resource Bar to find developer docs. On the left side of the screen, you will notice that the integration has two parts, server and client. Expand the client-side integration includes some common systems, like web, iOS, and Android. The server-side integration includes demos for some of the major programming languages. Now you have come to a simulated customer login page, which is a demo we will launch all integration steps in it. You can get this demo page from GeeTest GitHub if needed at https://github.com/gt4-python-demo. Next, let's complete the client-side integration. If you scroll down here on the web, you can find that there is a need to import the initialization function, the JavaScript file, first. Then call the initialization function for initialization. You can open the code of demo in IDE and find that the client-side integration part over here, we had pre-written the code, as you can see, and import the initialization function over here. Okay, then call the initialization function for initialization. Fill in the ID you just applied for in the GeeTest dashboard. Here are some other parameters you can refer to the developer docs to allocate. Moving along, going on to server-side integration. In this video, you can use Python. If you scroll down, you will see there are 5 steps of server-side integration. Let's go back to the demo code now. Here are some pre-written codes. Let's go over them. Step 1. Configure GeeTest parameters. You need to fill in the CAPTCHA ID and key we created in dashboard here accordingly. Secondly, you need to get front-end parameters that are generated after the client-side CAPTCHA interaction and will be used in the next secondary verification. Step 3. Generate signature. The signature is able to verify the business side to ensure secondary verification security. Some of the parameters from the previous step will also be used in the signature step. Step 4 requests GeeTest service to validate user authentication status. After generating the signature, send the signature and other required parameters together to the secondary verification interface. Then you will get a response from the interface, which contains the secondary verification as a success or failure. Step 5. Customer conducts his own business logic according to user authentication status returned by GeeTest. You are almost done. Go back to the demo page. You will see the GeeTest Adaptive CAPTCHA has been integrated here. Click on Login to confirm if it is successful. It looks good. This is all about the integration of GeeTest Adaptive CAPTCHA. Thank you for watching.